Are you ready to manage your portfolio like a pro? Discover Holistico, your all-in-one platform for smarter investment research. Start your journey with the macroeconomic dashboard, a window into market trends and key indicators. Set up your portfolio in minutes. Connect your investment accounts from brokers, or upload data from Excel, PDF, or even an image file. You can easily add assets manually using the search feature, or just enter your cash balance to get started. Holistico's portfolio scanner gives you a clear snapshot of your investments, market value, expense ratios, and more, so you know where you stand at all times. Invest confidently with personalized risk analysis. Holistico's Risk Calibrator offers 2 methods to assess and match your risk preferences. Fill out the questionnaire to calculate your risk ability score. Take the behavioral quiz to uncover your personalized risk tolerance score. Holistico provides a clear view of your portfolio's structure and performance, with insightful comments from Holi, your personal AI investment assistant. Explore asset allocation and equity ratings. View distributions by sector, style, and size to understand your equity exposure. Dive deeper into fixed income investments with insights into bond sectors, credit ratings, and maturities, helping you make well-informed decisions for a balanced portfolio. Holistico highlights potential pain points in your portfolio, giving you a clear view of risks and areas that need attention. From high expense ratios to poor diversification, each issue is flagged with detailed explanations and actionable insights to help you improve. Holistico's stress tests simulate how your portfolio performs in real-world scenarios. Compare your portfolio to stock and bond markets to identify areas for improvement. Star ratings clearly show your portfolio's resilience. Holistico provides a detailed view of your portfolio positions. See key metrics like distribution rates, expense ratios, and ratings for stocks and ETFs. Warnings highlight potential issues, such as oversized positions or high expense ratios, so you can take action. Holistico's retirement map helps you plan your financial future with clarity. Adjust parameters like savings and withdrawals to see how they impact your projected wealth over time. Adjust parameters, get AI-driven recommendations, and ensure your goals are within reach. Holi, your AI assistant, answers your portfolio questions with actionable insights. Ask about improving your portfolio, reducing risks, or exploring new investments. Holi can suggest ETFs and shares, offering a deeper dive into each suggestion. Request Holi's opinion on any asset to get tailored insights. Take control of your financial future with Holistico. Sign up today and start investing like a pro.